Hi everyone, welcome to Carol's Art Room. As you can see, I just scraped a bloom. I want to give it another try. I used my big hair dryer and it blew it too hard, so I'm gonna do another one. So let's put down my paint again. This is Color Shift Black Flash. Copper Deco Art. Champagne Gold by Deco Art Premium. Pearl, is this one? Amsterdam Pearl Yellow. And then Pebeo Iridescent Gold. I'm going to use white and black cell activator. I'm going to use this again, but I'm not going to be so close this time, I hope. This is pretty strong. Oh boy. You can't get it perfect. Those are tiny cells, holy. I don't know if it's better than the last one or not. Maybe this tile's too small for that pressure. This side's pretty right here. Oh, it's not bad. I got a little more color than I did the last time. Let's just wait and see how it looks when it settles in the middle. Come on, I want to get it unstuck. Now let's do my swirls. definitely more colorful than the last one. The last one I had a lot of white. This one's pretty, especially this side. Well, should I give it a spin? All right, I'm going to spin it. I want that middle to unstick. All right, spin it again. Go the other way. Losing my paint. Well, it's actually pretty nice. I like it now. Sometimes you gotta give it a chance. There, look at that. I think it looks awesome. Yeah, now it moves. When I don't want it to move, I just spin it again. So I had quite a bit of paint on there, as you can see. It's getting better now. These cells grow, they get bigger as you spin it. There you go. I think I might be okay now. Okay, I think I'm done. Thanks for watching this one. Yeah, these colors I don't use very often, but they're very pretty. Well, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell for notifications. Comment below. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for subscribing also. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried tile, 6x6. It's gorgeous. It dried really well. I like it, very pretty. There you go. Thanks for watching my videos, and have a great day. Bye-bye.